A guy bought u.ai for just $3,500. 8 years later, he sold it for $700,000. That's the kind of return that makes Wall Street look boring. Mark Cuban said premium domains are one of the smartest investments of our time. Cuban has bought and sold domains for millions, knowing business need them for growth. I'm about to show you exactly how regular people are using 5 simple steps to spot, buy, and flip domains for massive profits. Plus, I'll reveal 5 specific AI domains you can still grab right now that could be worth 6 figures in the next few years. Here's what most people get completely wrong about domain investing. They think all the good names are taken. They see google.com or facebook.com and assume they missed the boat entirely. But that thinking is keeping them broke while smart investors are quietly building fortunes. 2025 is the moment where this opportunity is breaking wide open. Stocks are volatile, crypto is unpredictable, and real estate requires huge capital. Meanwhile, domain names, especially AI-related domains, are exploding in value, and most people still have no idea. Think about it this way. Domain names are digital real estate. Unlike stocks, you can't issue more of them. Unlike housing, you can't build more of them. Each one is unique, and once the best names are taken, they're gone forever. This isn't about gambling. It's about following a proven strategy that works whether you're starting with $100 or $10,000. Let me walk you through the exact 5-step system that domain investors use to identify winners. Step 1. Focus on short, brandable, memorable names. The most powerful factor in domain investing is simplicity. Domains under 15 characters are easier to spell, easier to pronounce, and far more valuable. Avoid hyphens, numbers, or clever but confusing spellings. Clean, brandable names are what serious buyers pay for. Think of legendary sales. Business.com sold for $350 million. Hotels.com went for $11 million. Insurance.com fetched $35.6 million. None of them were complicated. They were authoritative, trustworthy, and instantly memorable. Here's the test that never fails. If you can picture a business introducing themselves with your domain name at a pitch meeting and it sounds credible, then you've found the kind of asset that sells for life-changing money. Step 2. Research high-value keywords and trends. The best domain investors don't guess. They track cultural momentum and business demand using data. Free tools like Google Trends show which search terms are exploding in real time. Google Keyword Planner reveals exact monthly search volumes and competition levels. A phrase with hundreds of thousands of monthly searches is gold when matched to a clean domain. But here's where it gets really interesting. Monitoring sales on Sedo or Flippa shows what buyers are already paying for. If AI terms like vision, automation, or smart keep closing deals, those patterns tell you exactly where to focus next. For example, Vision AI sold for $100,000 in early 2024, directly tied to the growth of computer vision technology. If you'd spotted that trend through keyword research and grabbed a related name early, the payoff would have been enormous. Step 3. Target the right extension. Com is still king. It has universal recognition, global trust, and usually the highest resale prices, but the game is shifting fast. In AI domains have become premium real estate. Companies in tech and crypto also favor IO, while ICO has gained serious traction with startups looking for something sleek and global. Watch what serious businesses are actually using. OpenAI, Com, and Character. AI show how both Com and AI extensions can dominate depending on the context. If your domain has the right keyword but the wrong extension, your resale value drops by half or more. Matching the right extension with the right industry is like putting your money in the right neighborhood. It multiplies your upside automatically. Step 4. Specialize in niches and undervalued domains. High-growth industries create high-value domains. Right now, the hottest niches include AI, crypto, fintech, and health tech. These are the sectors where venture capital is pouring in billions and where companies desperately need brandable domains. One way to find undervalued names is exploring expired domains through tools like expireddomains.net. These often come with existing backlinks, SEO authority, and in some cases even residual traffic. That built-in value makes them way easier to resell at a premium. Domain appraisal tools from GoDaddy or Estibot give you instant ballpark valuations based on comparable sales, traffic data, and keyword strength. Pairing those insights with your own research helps you avoid hype and focus on assets with lasting potential. Now here's step 5, and this is where most beginners completely mess up and leave massive money on the table. Step 5, master the art of selling. Buying is just the start. Selling well is where fortunes are actually made. Most people list their domain on one platform and wait. Big mistake. Successful domain investors list their names on multiple platforms like GoDaddy Auctions, Cedo, Afternic, and Flippa simultaneously. These marketplaces already have serious buyers searching daily. By casting a wide net, you multiply your odds of landing a profitable sale. But here's the psychology trick that changed everything for me. Timing matters even more than price. If the AI healthcare sector suddenly takes off, a domain like mediai.com can double in value overnight. Watch for industry booms, funding rounds, or breaking news, and time your sales around that momentum. And while you wait for the perfect buyer, you can park domains through services like Cedo Parking or Bodies. They place ads on your unused domain, generating passive income and proving traffic value, which makes the domain even more attractive to future buyers. This 5-step system works because it removes the guesswork. You're not gambling on random domains hoping something sticks. You're following data, trends, and buyer psychology to build a portfolio of digital assets that appreciate over time. The opportunity is massive right now because AI is still in its early stages. We're seeing the same explosion that happened with .com domains in the 1990s, except this time it's focused on artificial intelligence. Here are 5 specific AI domains that perfectly demonstrate these principles. Tech Health. AI for the healthcare AI boom that's projected to hit $45 billion by 2028. Pay.ai. Positioned perfectly for payments and fintech AI. Automation AI, sitting right at the heart of industrial AI growth. And Smart AI, which is universal, versatile, and highly brandable. These are not just names, they are proof of how this system creates real digital wealth for people who act fast. Subscribe for more hidden investment opportunities that could change your financial future.